In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line height in Figma. Mastering line height, also known as leading, is crucial for creating professional and readable designs. It significantly impacts the visual comfort and aesthetic appeal of your text, ensuring your content is both engaging and easy on the eyes. We'll walk through the simple steps to adjust this setting effectively, helping you achieve perfect typographic harmony in your Figma projects. To begin, you'll first need to make sure you have some text selected on your canvas. Once your text layer is active, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your Figma interface. This area is known as the Properties panel, and it's where you'll find all the controls for the selected element, including its text properties. If you don't see the text properties immediately, ensure your text layer is truly selected, and the panel should update to show relevant options. This panel is your command center for adjusting various attributes, from color and font size to, of course, line height. Now that you're in the Properties panel, look for the Text section. Within this section, you'll see various controls for typography. Specifically, you're looking for the Line Height option. It's usually represented by an icon with a series of horizontal lines with vertical arrows indicating spacing, or simply labeled as Line Height. This particular setting controls the amount of vertical space between lines of text. A well-adjusted line height can greatly improve readability, especially for longer blocks of text, preventing lines from feeling too cramped or excessively spaced out. You'll often find it displayed either as a percentage, a pixel value, or sometimes set to auto. Once you've located the line height field, simply click into it. Now, you can type any number you desire to adjust the spacing. As you type a new value, you'll immediately see the changes reflected on your canvas. For instance, entering a larger number will increase the space between your lines of text, making it appear more airy, while a smaller number will reduce that space, making the lines sit closer together. It's often recommended to use values around 120% to 150% of your font size for good readability in body text, but this can vary depending on your font choice and design goals. You can input values as percentages, for example, 150%, or as absolute pixel values like 24px. Experiment with different numbers to find what looks best for your specific design and font.